Today, the demand for computer software is increasing day by day as information technology is essential for the development of the world. Computers. To create software, you need to know computer programming. In the past, computers were instructed by basic commands made up of the symbols 1 and 0. Shortcodes were later used for these codes. However, since computers only understand the codes 1 and 0, this short command converter must be made up of codes 1 and 0. In computer programming, new computer commands can be created using various commands in a computer language. These new commands can be stored on the computer as pre-commands and reused. In addition to the commands in the computer language, we can also use the new commands we have created. Let's find out 5 most important programming languages in 2021. Python. Python may be the most user-friendly programming language for anyone on this list. It is often said that Python phrases are clear, intelligent, and almost like English, which, like Java, makes it a popular choice for beginners. Like Java, Python has a variety of applications that make it a versatile, powerful option when choosing the best programming language for your use. For example, if you are interested in post-end web development, the open-source Django framework written in Python is popular, easy to learn, and rich in features. Django has been used in the development of popular websites such as Mozilla, Instagram, and Spotify. Python also includes packages such as NumPy and SciPy, which are widely used in the fields of scientific computing, mathematics, and engineering. Other Python libraries are used to build programs such as data science, machine learning, image processing, and computer vision. Python's science and data applications make it a good choice for those who are academically inclined. JavaScript. It is not possible to be a software developer these days without using JavaScript in some way. According to the Stack Overflow 2020 Developer Survey, JavaScript is the 8th consecutive year that it is the most popular language among developers. Nearly 70% of survey respondents reported using JavaScript in the past year. With HTML and CSS, JavaScript is essential for front web development. From Facebook and Twitter to Gmail and YouTube, most popular websites rely on JavaScript to create interactive web pages and display content dynamically to users. Although JavaScript is primarily a browser-based front language, it can be used via Node.js on the server side to build scalable network applications. JavaScript is compatible with Linux, Sun OS, Mac OS X, and Windows. JavaScript is a friendly programming language for beginners, as it has a forgiving, flexible phrase and works across all major browsers. Swift. If you are interested in Apple product and mobile app development, Swift is a good place to start. Swift, first released by Apple in 2014, is a relatively new programming language used to develop iOS and macOS applications. Swift is optimized for performance and built from the ground up to meet the realities of modern iOS development. Not only does iOS run on every iPhone and iPad, but it is also the basis for other operating systems, such as clocks for Apple Watches and tvOS for Apple TV. In addition, Apple is not going anywhere as a leader in the technology industry, and iOS apps are the most affordable in the mobile app market. C programming language. Like C++, C# is a general-purpose, object-oriented language built on the foundations of C. It was originally created by Microsoft as part of the .NET framework for building Windows applications. C# uses the same syntax as other C-derived languages, such as C++, so it is easier to obtain if you come from another language in the C family. C# is not only the journey towards Microsoft application development, but also the language used by mobile developers to build cross-platform applications on the Xamarin platform. Scala. If you are familiar with Java, a classical programming language, it is worth checking out its modern cousin, Scala. Scala combines the best features of Java, such as its object-oriented structure and its lightning-fast JVM runtime environment, with a modern twist. As a functional programming language, Scala allows engineers to equate the quality of their math to pure math. Scala allows concurrent programming, allowing complex procedures to be executed in parallel. Also, it is a strictly typed language. It allows engineers to create and customize their own data types, giving them peace of mind knowing that many errors can occur during operation.